Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to start secret chat in Telegram. Friends, this option is very useful if you want to do some important chat with someone. So to start secret chat, you simply need to open chat window of the person you want to chat with. Now after opening the chat window, you simply need to press on the name. After pressing on name, you need to press on the three dots. Here you need to press on start secret chat. Press on start. Now we have opened secret chat window of this contact, and as you can see, Telegram is showing the features of secret chat on the screen. Like you can see, it use end-to-end encryption and leave no trace on the servers of Telegram and have a self-destruct timer. And the messages in this secret chat cannot be forwarded. Also, we cannot take the screenshot of this secret chat. Like you can see, it is showing only the blank page. Now we will send a message in the secret chat. So friends, like this you can very easily use secret chat in Telegram for your important messages or communication, etc. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.